Good.
So what I need for the project is black paper, white paper. I'm gonna put them over here, and a pencil, scissors. I just use these scissors because there's the only ones I find. Blue marker. I don't know what these are. Sequins. And you use a glue stick or you can do a hot glue gun. I'm using hot glue gun, but I'm just gonna put it there. And sticks. My hot glue gun's over here this time. And you need 6 pop sticks. Okay. Oh, your dad might need help you with this hot glue gun, but I'm terrified. Uh-oh. Okay, good. Loofah. We have to get ready with this. Ooh, this was. Okay. Well, there's so much string. The last stick. Wait, where's the camera? Oh, yeah. Where's the camera? It's the last stick. Oh. Oh, that almost dried out. Are you filming?
Mm-hmm.
This time you can use any color. I wanted to use blue. I shouldn't color these before. Okay, so I did look darker blue than this one, but that's okay. I didn't use the same marker. And then I think we have to trace my hand. Now we're going to trace our hand, and you should have 2 blank papers. This is the blankest one. And then you just grab the pencil and then trace your hand. Dad, can you hold it? I'm not too good at tracing hands, so... I can make a little dream. That's my hand. It's pretty big, similar to this hand, but now we're cutting the hand. Oh wait. This is a really good idea, but it's hard to cut the hand. All done, and this is what my hand looks like. Uh-oh. Ours are funny. Oh. Okay. Cut it with the black paper. Okay, next you will need your sequins, a pencil, and a glue stick. I'm using a glue bottle, but you could use it. Now, once you have your sequins, or you can use googly eyes. I want to use sequins because I have lots of pretty sequins. And this is Which one I choose?
It's okay. We can just Mama's birthday. No. We're at the Bahamas. For
yellow on the left,
yeah, it's after this one.
pink on the right. Ha! They look like glasses!
We're lobster.
Ah! I'm gonna make little glasses. I'm gonna shape it like that. Then get them like that. Now we have to draw the mouth.
I think it's after this, yeah. Yeah.
We're coloring this. That's my cousin and glue type. Let's try to make it the face in a picture frame. I'm gonna flip it. Yes! Yes! Do these look similar? Tell John and comment. Bye. Thanks for watching.